friends and foes, and I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. Jah provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. Release.
When me see Jah, me see away.
Hey. 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 All right, we're not going to talk about Protege this morning. We're talking with MCKADA, and of course, the Express Band is all around us. So, MCKADA, tell me, is this your calling?
Yeah.
Yeah? How you didn't know?
Well, first of all, I think all my neighbors, I think they're really annoyed because they've had to get earplugs and stuff through the years. Yeah, but I've been singing ever since I was a little tot, sang in church like practically all my life.
Is there anybody in Jamaica?
No, church like Jamaica.
Anybody in Jamaica who came out
me.
singing that
Didn't go to church? No. That's where you start. We're a Christian nation. We usually start with God. You know, you have the different ones, but yeah, we usually start with God.
You said you started singing in church, like myself. But how did you and why did you continue? Why you keep laughing?
What?
I think she thinks you can't sing. I'm just saying.
No, I can't sing it. I'll give you a thing after this.
Thank you.
How and why did you continue along that same path?
Music soothes me, to be honest. It comes to me naturally. So I'll find myself in the middle of even a meeting, and there'd be some lyrics that I have to find a way to sneak my recorder or something. And I find that it not only suits me, it suits other people. You know, I think I'm the baby whisperer.
Hey.
Yeah.
You have baby yet?
No, but I have lots of other people's children. So I really, really love it. I'm from a family that embraces music. We do a lot of singing, and you know, we don't really put it out there, but we sing in our corner.
All right, so what's going on for you now? What are you about to release? Anything new?
All right, so that song that you just heard, that's about to be released. There's a lot of new songs that I'm working on. However, what I want to do is set aside the EP songs and still be giving a little something out.
But what EP? Remember, say no for wait. Me say we have to go learn the musician term.
I think I know what EP means.
Yeah.
But make it tell me.
They say extended play, but nobody says extended play. But just go EP because you put less songs in it than an album.
Gotcha. There you go.
So hold on. If it's extended play and has less songs than an album.
I don't know, the world of creatives, who understands?
True.
I know, but you're going to put that out there for us to be able to get shortly.
Definitely have a couple songs on iTunes that were, those 3 songs that are currently on iTunes, they were done by Danger from Grab Them Records, Jason Donaldson. And they are songs that speak about, you know, stuff that's happening in our society on a whole. Yeah, and I think I want to do a little love next. I think we don't... Especially, I have some songs that I call Christian love because because Christians do get married.
Yeah, and they love.
Exactly, and they have
Lots
anniversaries and all of that, and I think we can put out a set of songs that's tailored for them as well.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about your band, your backing band here.
Okay, Campbell, keys, Andre on bass.
What you call him?
Andre?
No, this is Chris, man. Andre's on bass.
Oh.
Why you do your friend like that?
Why did I tell you that?
Do you know his nickname? Do you know his nickname?
I don't think Jamaica needs to know his nickname. Don't do that. Finish telling the rest of them.
And Richie, today is Richie's birthday as well. Happy birthday, Richie.
Happy birthday, Richie. Richie's a saxophonist.
Yes, he is.
Yes, and he plays so wonderfully. So happy birthday to you. And of course, you know, so Chris, I don't know why you and Dwayne have this little thing going on here. This friendship look like it bigger than me, so I'm not even gonna get myself involved in that.
In a big makeup, when I stop saying it.
But we're not gonna do it all the time because we want you to play little music for us. So we're just gonna take ourselves, and so you can give us some more of that nice MCKADA Queenly from Africa music.
Ethiopia.
Cut now.
Thank you so much.
Come off of the people. Come off of the people themselves.
Hey, don't mess up the people themselves.
Conversations. I have some questions. Whoa, yeah. Talking about corruption, segregation, pollution, abuse, hypocrisy, religion, employment, refuse, control mechanism, subduing the youth. Many don't want to hear the truth. Child soldiers, abortion, they're killing women. Depression taking over, creating madmen. More beggars on the streets, criminals deported. What will we do about them? Conversations in the mind are louder than reality. Crazy men are leading now, creating more insanity. A man's life does not consist of the things he possesses. Money's not the problem. Give your heart a check. So we take them out, put them in, take them out again. But promises continued, not fulfilled in the end. Resources disappear and people pretend. Many don't notice the trend. A nation abused, no one make comments. Turn the other cheek, but no more cheek no left. The people are fainting under the stress. What will we do about this? Let's have conversation. I have some questions. What really dey on your mind? What dey on your mind? Let's have conversations. I have some questions. Whoa, yeah. Conversations in the mind, they're louder than reality. Crazy men are leading now, creating more insanity. A man's life does not consist of the things he possesses. Money's not your problem. Just give your heart a check and have conversations. Let's talk about the things